Hey guys, is ySense still a good way to make money online in this year 2024? Or have you been looking for different ways to make money online but you don't know where to start from? I'm going to talk about this website which is called ySense, how you can earn money, how you can cash out, and how you can sign up for this website. So if that's what you are looking for, my name is Gloria, and on this channel I talk about different ways on how to earn money online, ways I have tried and they have really worked for me. So let's get into the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it has really helped you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and comment where you're watching from so that I can make videos about websites that are in your current location. We are here on the website, and this is ySense for you. So this is how the website looks like. I'm going to walk you through the sign up process, how you can earn from this website, how you can cash out everything. Yes, it's not a difficult website, and they pay you for your opinion, for playing games. I'm going to walk you through everything. So this is their website. Right now I'm on their website, as you can see. And here they have so many different things that you can do. You can do surveys, offers, do affiliate marketing for them. So this is what they say about their website: earn extra cash online. ySense is a global online community with multiple earning opportunities. Yes, as I've told you, there are so many multiple earning opportunities. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. Yes, and that's true because I've been working with them for quite a long time now. They have even paid me before, so I'm going to show you all that. So if you want to sign up to ySense, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And all that you need to sign up, you just need a link that I'm going to leave in the description below. You go to this website, it will take you right here, and you will put in your email address, your password, and you have to click this which says you agree to their terms. So you can put in like an email address, but me, I already have an account, so I'll not bother putting in an email address. So you could click on here where it says you agree to their terms and privacy policy. So if you don't agree, they will not allow you in. So that's a must. You're supposed to agree it. So that are the only requirements you need. A link that I'm going to leave in the description below for you to join, an email address, a password, and to just click here to show them that you accept their terms of use. So you can do paid surveys. And what I love about this license, their surveys, some of times they can be even up to $4, just one survey, which you can't find on other some platforms. And you can cash off, you can do also cash offers. You get paid for trying out new products and new services, downloading apps, and you can also earn money by referring others, like I'm referring with you. As you see, if you want, you can download the app on Google Store. Or if you are like, I don't have a computer, I don't have a laptop, what should I do? You can still use the app on Google Play Store or on Apple Store. So it depends on you. Like on this website, you are not limited. You can do it as a beginner, or if you don't have a PC, a laptop, you can still use your phone and you are good to go. So that's how you sign up here on ySense. So let me show you how it looks like inside. Now we are inside ySense. So these are the offers that you can do. As you can see, they are saying featured offers, but let us start how it starts. You can start by doing surveys. And if you want to view all surveys, you just come here, click on view all surveys. As you see here, this survey is this amount and it's 15 minutes. It doesn't take that long. So if you want to check out surveys, you can either come out here, check out surveys, or you can just come here and you view all the surveys that are there currently. Or sometimes they send you emails in your email that you use to sign up, telling you we have a survey offer right now. So let me sign in. I had not signed in. So I'm signing in because, as I told you, I already have an account. So if you want to do surveys, you just come here, you click on complete surveys. So these are all surveys that you can do, and they'll be showing you here the time that you are going to spend. Like this survey is 18 minutes, this survey is 20 minutes. This survey, they haven't indicated the time, but their surveys don't take that long. And sometimes they'll put questions for you to fill out your profile, and those questions, they really help you. They boost your earnings, and they also have something else which is called a daily poll. You just click here, even it doesn't take like a minute, as they state it there, it just takes a second. You just come here, just read what they are saying. You just click the answer and you will get that money. They will just put it there on your account. So if you want to complete surveys and you want to share your opinion with these people who have put their surveys here, so you can just come here, click on the survey, then they will tell you if you've qualified for that survey or not. So but if you want to come here and you want to do offers, they also have very many offers and good offers that even pay. One offer can even pay you up to $100, one offer can even pay you up to $10. So it depends. As you see, this offer, it's $35. This one is $23. This one Monopoly is $31. So these are all different games that you can do. This one get a gold rush when you play. This one then you get $2 plus. Then this one you are getting 7 dollars. This one you can get $3. As they told you, can install apps, play games, and earn good amount. So this one they are telling you can earn up to $46, and they call it play the battle night. So when you play that game, you can earn up to that amount, which is $46. And when you reach to the requirements they have told you, then they will put that money into your ySense account. I will show you how the account looks like. So they are giving you instructions. If you want to do this game, they will give you the instructions. So this is how the game looks like. They will tell you you are supposed to be a new user, and that's what I've seen on most of the games. They tell you you're supposed to be a new user, and they will tell you the amount of days you're supposed to finish that game. Like here, they are giving you 45 days. You install it on your phone. So when you correct this amount, when you correct one orange hilo, then you get this amount. When you correct three orange hilos, you get this amount. When you correct 15 orange hilos, you get $10. So up to when you have reached here, then they will give you that amount and create it. But the good thing about this website, as long as you pray and you reach what they have asked you, they will put the money every step you complete. Now, if you come here, if I was to play this game and I play and I complete up to here, they will put this money already here. If I pray and reach here, they will put the money there. So that's how it works. Only they will can send you a text message, you can scan it on your phone, or you can get the email via your you can get the link via your email. So it depends on you. Another way that you can earn from this website, as you can see, there are so many offer walls here. Yes, there are so many offer walls here that can give you different opportunities to earn. Like if you can't like get or you can't run out of jobs, because all of these ones are offers. Like you see this one, my chips, Tolo, up prices, these are different offers. Any offer you want, you just come here, click on it, you check what they have, you do that. Then another way that you can earn from this platform is by doing affiliate marketing, referring other people. So guys, I'll also leave a link in the description below. If you want to join this ySense, you will use my link in the description below so that you can join. So if you have worked and you want to cash out, like their payment threshold is $5, and as I've shown you, you will not take too much time to get that $5, and they have quite a number of different payment options. As you can see, you can get paid via AirTM. Yes, like if you're in a country they don't have PayPal, guys, this AirTM is a good way to cash out your funds from very many different websites that are working online. So you can use a good payment option. But if you don't want to use AirTM, there are so many others. Or this company also supports Pioneer. So if you have a Pioneer account, you can use Amazon. They have so many. So if you want PayPal, if you have PayPal, but if you're in a country like me where I am, they don't accept PayPal. So what I use AirTM. Yes, I use AirTM, and on this platform, so they will tell you if you want to cash out via PayPal, you need this amount. But if you want to cash out via AirTM, the amount you need is just $5. Then you can go ahead and cash out. Yes, you can go ahead and cash out. I'll also leave a link in the description below about AirTM if you want to join and you start cashing money through it if you're in a country where I don't have PayPal. So this AirTM is a good way of cashing out your money, and it's supported on this company ySense, so you can still use that. As you can see, if you want to cash out when you reach $5 immediately, you can cash out. And a good thing here, when you use ATM, they will not redact any fees. As your money it is, let me say you've earned $5, you've earned $10, $15, $25. That's how they will send it to you. They will not redact any fees. They will not redact any fees. You will just receive it the way it is. So that's how you can cash out your money. So you can choose from any different payment options you want, or you can use Amazon gift card. So it depends on you. So that's how you can cash out your money, and that's how the website looks like. As you see, I'm also already earning. So if I want to cash out, I can go ahead and cash out this $5, but I'll wait. I'll wait, and I'll still earn more. Yes, I'll still earn more. So if you want to use ySense, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Yes, it's a good website, and you can start using it and earn some extra cash. I'll also leave ATM link if you don't have PayPal or payment methods in your country where you can still use this ATM to receive your funds.